This is a story about a common enemy, one thing that challenges automotive engineers and boxers alike: weight. In the same way that excess kilos can slow down an athlete, too much weight can lead to heavy fuel consumption and overall poor efficiency in cars. But unlike a boxer, you can't just put a car on a diet. The body has to be strong and rigid because strong keeps it safe and rigid keeps it handling properly. So our SKYACTIV target for the body was 30% greater rigidity, top crash safety performance and an 8% weight reduction. We got there with more extensive use of high tensile steel that's stronger and lighter than conventional steel, and harder working streamlined geometry, such as crash energy pathways that are more efficient by taking advantage of the entire body. Our chassis goals were weight reduction, more Mazda nimbleness, and improved stability. Designing a quicker steering system made us more nimble at low speeds, while using front suspension geometry beefed up high-speed stability for that smooth, move over on the freeway kind of ride. In the rear, we changed wheel angles and pivot points in the suspension links to improve stability, make bumps less bumpy, and decrease brake dive when braking. Big changes like these were made possible by our clean sheet approach. In many cases, car chassis and bodies are engineered by different groups, even different companies at different times. When you do this, each part has to be compromised in order for it to work with the others, versus being perfected individually and harmoniously integrated with surrounding parts. But since our body and chassis engineers work together, we didn't have to compromise. Another example, why not take advantage of areas in the body that were being pre-strengthened for crash safety and mount the suspension parts there, versus strengthening new areas of the body to mount them? The result? A chassis weight reduction of 14% without sacrificing handling performance. We achieved some amazing numbers in both weight loss and fuel economy. But numbers aren't enough. Mazda owners want a car that drives outstandingly as well. And we delivered there too, by improving the ride in ways you can really feel. So chalk one up for the Mazda engineers, for thinking smarter and finding a better way. Boxers, you're on your own. SKYACTIV technology from Mazda. Imagination drives us.